And just when we thought that the Trump pump was over, this happened. Trump's wife went ahead and launched her own meme coin. Guys, we are seriously just living in a simulation, and tons of opportunities to make some serious profits continues to appear in the crypto space. Now, I know what you're thinking. All of the other altcoins are down. How can you say that there's so many opportunities to make profit? Well, the Trump narrative is in full effect, and in this video, I will be talking about how you can take advantage of it. First, let's kick us off with Bitcoin. We can't forget to mention that we literally made a new all-time high. It seems like all of the news with Trump's inauguration today, as well as all of the meme coins launching, it seems like all of these meme coins ahead of Trump's inauguration have completely diluted the fact that Bitcoin just made a new all-time high, sitting pretty at around $108,000. I can go ahead and show you the crypto bubbles once again, but it's very obvious that we have these same performers. What I can share with you in regards to Bitcoin is that this was an explosive move, and the good news here, as we talked about in yesterday's video, was that we were struggling to make a new all-time high in total market cap. But now it's looking like we're fast approaching that new all-time high. As you can see, a massive green candle on the day ahead of Trump's inauguration. The reason why I'm always looking at this metric is because it tells us if there are new entrants into the market, more specifically if there is more capital entering the crypto market. And we can see that this is indeed the case. Now, the all-time high was sitting just around $3.64 trillion, and at the time of recording this video, we are at $3.62 trillion. So yes, while we do have some meme coins that are pumping, specifically the Trump coin and of course Trump's wife's coin, we cannot ignore the fact that more capital is entering the crypto market, and I think that once we break past this $3.64 trillion level, we will see much further upside for the entire crypto asset class. Now, in regards to trading the Trump token, I noticed that ever since it peaked at around the $80 mark and came crashing down to below $40, it seemed like it was making a little bit of a reversal. And so on my Twitter, I talked about the fact that I had entered a long position on the Trump token, and I managed to cash out $2,000 in profits. Now, Trump is currently consolidating around the $50 level, and only time will tell how high it can actually go. But my prediction is that if any token is going to last within the Trump family, it will be the official Trump token. I think that the president will do everything in his power to make sure that his token will in fact succeed. And all of the other ones are highly speculative, even more speculative than the Trump token. That being said, I think that this Trump train is only really starting, and yes, there can be corrections along the way, but we just have to use what the market is giving us to make some informed decisions and make some insane gains when it comes to trading. Something to watch out for though, a lot of people are starting to list tons of Trump tokens, any token that they can think of that can be affiliated with the Trump family. To date, there are only two official Trump tokens. We have the president's token and we have his wife's token. Everything else so far is fake. And we can see that today, people started speculating on Barron, which is Trump's son, and this coin exploded to a $400 million market cap before crashing right back down to below $25 million at the time of recording. Then we have another one, Trump's ex-wife, Ivanka. We have this token that went out, and people are already starting to speculate on it as well. Now, I can't lie to you. As I'm always in the trenches, I am speculating on these tokens as well, but you have to speculate with the mindset that you know that they are fake and that they will come crashing down. Because the thing with these tokens is that should Barron or should Ivanka Trump even launch their own token, these will plummet to zero like that. And we've already seen it happen basically with Barron's token. If you got in at like a $300 million market cap, you are down significantly on that position. So make sure that you're careful. And if you're not used to trading Solana meme coins, I would highly recommend that you avoid any of these tokens, only the official ones that are launched. And the best and only way to make sure that these tokens are legit is when you hear it from the people themselves on their Twitter accounts. So what's next when it comes to the Trump family? Well, I shared this chart on Twitter, and it might give us a little bit of a picture as to what new coins could be launching. Now, this is entirely speculative, and there's a strong chance that no one else here launches a meme coin. But these are just the people that I think you should keep your eyes on as it pertains to launching new meme coins. Because as we know, if you get in early enough, you can easily do a 2, 5, 10, 20x in a matter of just a few hours. So make sure that you're locked in and keep your eyes on these Trump personalities. If you don't have time to be monitoring their accounts on X, make sure to shoot me a follow on X because I will be updating you as I find legit tokens that launch. Now, something that's extremely interesting lately as all of these Trump memes get a bunch of the spotlight, we have Eric Trump here commenting on the fact that World Liberty Financial has been accumulating a lot of Ethereum. People seem to be ignoring this, and right now Ethereum is still sitting right around 3.3K, hasn't really budged that much. But Eric Trump here says, wait until you see what they do tomorrow. And this tweet was posted yesterday, and the inauguration is today at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This to me suggests that we will finally start to see that Ethereum run that I've been talking about. Let's not kid ourselves, ETH has really been lagging behind. But when you see such a big company, World Liberty Financial, associated with Trump, accumulating a shit ton of Ethereum, it has to tell you that they are looking to build on that chain, and the rest of the tokens on that chain will see a lot of expansion as we continue into 2025. Now, today is going to be an extremely volatile day, so I would generally recommend against trading because it's super risky to be doing so, especially with this inauguration. On my side, I will be continuing to dollar cost average into high quality altcoins because I think that they will run much higher since we got this Bitcoin confirmation. As I mentioned, the last and final confirmation that I'm looking for here is the total crypto market cap. As we break past this barrier and start holding it as support, I'm expecting a lot of upside for crypto this year. So no, you are not too late. With all of these Trump meme coins coming out and how bullish the president himself is on crypto, I wouldn't be surprised if millions and millions of new people enter the crypto space this year alone. And what else can suggest that? Well, if we go on Google, we can see that the search term how to buy crypto has started already to skyrocket, which will likely wrap up the bull market into the end of this year. So as your altcoins start to pick up, I would make sure that you're relatively aggressive in taking profits because the capital is getting rotated around this market like we've never seen before. And the attention is really flowing quickly from token to token, which is perfectly aligned with our short attention spans. I hate to say it, but it's just the truth. So here are some additional thoughts that I'd like to share with you on my X account. You have to remember why you're in this industry in the first place. It's not for the tech, nor is it for the fundamentals. You're here to make money. Don't ever lose sight of that. So from a morality perspective, while I wholeheartedly disagree with the Trump family launching their own meme coins, it would be foolish to let this opportunity pass by. Lock in and do what you need to do. Now, I posted this earlier this morning because I think that a lot of people forget why they came into the space in the first place. Of course, a lot of us truly believe in Bitcoin, but when it comes to speculating on meme coins and altcoins, the idea here is to make as much profit as you possibly can, whether that's through spot holding and then selling at a higher valuation or through trading crypto, and most people tend to forget this. They end up seeing their portfolios shoot up and they never end up taking profit. Then you see opportunities like the Trump token and you think, oh man, I'm way too late. I'm not saying that the Trump token will necessarily just explode from here, but what I am saying is that you can actively trade these new tokens and still make significant profit as if you got in earlier. And that's exactly what I'm doing with both the Trump token and Trump's wife token on Weeks. It's been pretty straightforward for me to trade on Weeks with a little bit of leverage and a lot of upside. As I shared with you on my Twitter, we literally made $2,000 within the span of an hour by just trading these meme coins. I didn't get in early to any of these tokens, but you can still make some profits by trading them. And that's what I've been trying to tell you on the channel. Of course, you always need to be diligent in how you're trading and not take on a stupid amount of risk. But these short-term trades can really add up and can really make a difference in your life. So if you're looking to trade any of the tokens that I talked about on this channel, in particular the Trump tokens, whether that's longing or shorting these tokens, you can do so by signing up to Weeks, which is the first link in my description, and I've worked with them to provide you a $20,000 bonus for trading, and you can also earn a 10% deposit bonus. So whatever you deposit, you get 10% back. Now, before I wrap up this video, you should know that nothing that I talk about on this channel should be construed as financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I am currently doing in the crypto market and how I stand to profit from all of these trades. Now let's wrap up this video with this tweet that I found super accurate as to how the market sentiment is currently going. All of this in 1 week. Get a fucking grip, crypto Twitter. Monday, 75% chance we topped. Macro looks horrible. Probably a good time to take money off the table. Then from Tuesday to Friday, wait, never mind. We're back over 100K. We're good. Trump's going to change things. Inauguration is a buy the news event. Then Saturday, if you pay attention to crypto on Saturdays, Trump launched a meme coin. This is a new era. Sol is the best. Send literally everything. Then on Sunday, yeah, so we've probably topped. Probably a good time to take money off the table. And then this morning as I wake up, Trump's wife launches her own meme coin. We are seriously just living in a simulation. But remember, when it comes to making life-changing gains in this industry, you need to remove all of your emotions. Otherwise, you're very likely to lose. Also, if you don't believe we live in a simulation, take a look at this Trump chart. Look familiar? And that sums up today's market update. If I was a betting man, I would say that the official Trump token will be the only one that will likely perform well over an extended period of time. All of the other real tokens that may potentially launch afterwards, I think could likely perform well in the first few days, but will likely fall off a cliff afterwards. So in my opinion, it wouldn't necessarily be a bad idea to hold some Trump in your portfolio, but the other ones I will likely just trade and try to make some quick gains and then exit my positions. If you enjoy the content, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.